What's up, everybody? We're working on a Tacoma, and we're going to be doing pads and rotors on the front. Go ahead and start by lifting your vehicle. Make sure that you have a jack stand protecting you from certain death. Don't just trust your hydraulic jack. There's nothing but an O-ring between you and death. First thing we're going to do after that is remove some wheels. Link in the description below for this impact. It's the Milwaukee half-inch impact. Very well regarded on the internet. Let's take this off. Okay. Now I'm gonna come in here, turn my thing to the right. And the first thing I'm gonna do, I keep saying the first thing. We've got this little pin right here. These little pins are what is holding these pins in. So cotter pin wannabes. Okay. Cotter pin or caliper pin. Now, grab you a little screwdriver. I'm hammering between the pad and the rotor. I'll go to the other side. Make sure both sides are fully compressed. Little caliper hanger. This will come in handy in a second. We're going to remove our two caliper bolts. That's my pads falling out. Now I'm going to take my little hook right here, hook it through this bad Jackson, and then hang it somewhere. I'm going to hang it through this first. Link in the description below for these little hangers. These are really convenient. And then we're going to pull our rotor off. Let's throw our rotor back up on here. And then our caliper. I'm gonna set right here. And then I'm gonna grab a bolt. Grab a bolt. And then I'm gonna grab my Loctite. Okay, take the other one back out. Insert brake pads. I'm actually gonna take my hammer, tap that side in. Tap this side in. Now we've got our pins. I'm gonna take my little thing right here. I'm gonna slot her in right here. Just tap my bolt or my pad a little bit. Get it in a little more. Oh, it looks like I have it backwards. Oh, I didn't put my thing in. So I'll put my thing in, get my other pin, press it through, and then I'm pushing this little clip in, tap the rest of the way. Okay, so let's take our little pins. Take our other little pin. All right. We've got both our little pins in, got our pads, got our new rotor. You're gonna put your wheel back on, and then you're gonna lower it down off your floor jack. Then you're going to go down and like and subscribe. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Keep an eye up the hill.